the seeds we plant to the food we grow. Every little moment got a natural glow. Take your time, let it all unwind. Leave that stress, yeah, way behind. Welcome home, where the roots run deep. Feel that joy, let your spirit lead. Let it lead. Hands in the soil, heart on beat. At the hideaway, can't be beat. You ready to grow? We're ready, let's go. You feel that vibe, it's alive, it's alive. One time for the garden, love, grow it up, grow it up. Shelly's Homestead, Hideaway, where we grow.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. While you enjoy the music, I want you to just see the reality of what the garden looks like in the springtime before cleanup.
Hey y'all, welcome in to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. Let's begin. At the hideaway, we clear the beds, pulling up weeds, fresh start ahead. Turn that soil, let it breathe again. Feed those roots, let the new life in. Lemon balm rising, scent in the air. Strawberries bloom at the hideaway, yeah. Blueberries, blackberries reach for the sky. Asparagus spears coming back to life at the hideaway. We take our time. What you give to the soil always multiplies. Grow with me at Shelly's Homestead Hideaway, where a little love goes a long, long way. From the dirt to the plate, it's a beautiful thing. Watch it bloom, watch it rise, watch it bring. At the hideaway, feel that peace. Hands in the soil, let your spirit release. Every seed got a purpose to play. Come grow with me at the hideaway. At the hideaway, we plant with care. Up pot seedlings, place them anywhere. Raised beds, pots, or the ground below. Self-watering planters help them grow. Every leaf at the hideaway tells a story. From humble beginnings to harvest glory. Tend it daily, watch it unfold. Turning green dreams into harvest gold. At the hideaway, slow it down. Nature's rhythm is the sweetest sound. Grow with me at Shelly's Homestead Hideaway, where a little love goes a long, long way. From the dirt to the plate, it's a beautiful thing. Watch it bloom, watch it rise, watch it bring. At the hideaway, life feels right. Growing joy in the morning light. Every season got something to say. Come grow with me at the hideaway. Walk through the hideaway, nice and slow. Feel that peace in every row. Smell those flowers in the breeze. Simple moments just like these. Pick that fruit right off the vine. Taste that sweetness so divine. All this beauty you created right here at the hideaway. Celebrate it. From the work to the harvest, every day at Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. Come grow something your own way today.
Yes, grow something your own way. And here I am sharing with you what my garden looks like early in the spring, because we do not do a fall cleanup.
So as you can see, this is our raised bed that had collard greens in it. There's some Swiss chard still like hanging out in there. The hired help is cutting grass and emptying it into the compost bin, you'll see. But look at these beautiful chives that have come up every year for at least the last 4 years. This bed had some broccoli that I attempted to grow in the fall, was not successful at it. I particularly like this time of the gardening season because I get to look back and reflect over what was and what is soon to come. This bed right here is just taken over by weeds. There were collard greens in here, as you can see. Some are actually beginning to bolt, and I will let that bolt and harvest the seeds from it, but I will clean out the rest of the weeds there. That is a beautiful mullein plant hanging out in the corner. I have 3 mullein plants that have come back.
Yes, it's a windy day, so you're hearing some wind sounds, but I kind of like that sound for this particular video as I walk you through and you can literally see and hear what my backyard hideaway is looking like. Gardening is not necessarily always beautiful in the beginning, but as we progress through the seasons, we clean up our beds and we begin to plant new seedlings or starts.
That was some garlic that I planted. I, however, didn't get to plant out all of my garlic last fall. As you can see, there is a ton of work, cleanup work, all the weeds, the dead plants that still need to be cleaned up. But by the time I plant out the entirety of the garden, all of this will be cleaned up, all the weeds will be pulled, the lattice will be uprighted. And we will have an absolutely beautiful garden once again. So it's time to wake up your gardens, clean out those beds, water, feed your beds, and get ready for an amazing gardening season.